Hello everyone, good morning all of you. This is Dr. Sudarshan Sambhaji Rapedgi, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Kalasasya Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devani, your zoology companion, and welcome to my lecture. In the last lecture, we also completed the population growth as well as population growth forms. Okay, so now today we will start next topic of our syllabus, that population equilibrium and fluctuations. So let's get started today's lecture. Question may arise, what is meant by the population equilibrium? Okay, population equilibrium, it means when a few animals are introduced into a new habitat, they increase in number and the population grows. It is one particular phenomenon, that is the growing of animals. Okay, at the beginning the growth is slow and later it increases in geometric ratio. Okay, we know very well that is the growth. First time the growth is a very slowly growth is there. After that, the it increases the geometric ratio, right? After reaching the maximum number, the population remains at that level for a long period. This is called population equilibrium. Okay, means the after one particular reaching level or maximum number level, and at that time that level it will be a long period and not fluctuate. Okay, that is called as the population equilibrium. Okay, it means the constant maximum number, it remains at that level for long period, that is called population equilibrium. Okay, so at the equilibrium level there is no net change in the size of the population, and the death rate as well as birth rate are more or less equal. Okay, we know very well that the equilibrium, it means there is no net change in the size of the population. Okay, it means the no any kind of death rate, no any kind of birth rate, so all are equal. Okay, that is called the equilibrium or equal in position, and the population remains in the equilibrium as long as the biotic and abiotic factors are optimum. We know very well the population, it will be the equilibrium level that time abiotic and biotic factors are optimum. Why? Because of when there is a slight changes in the environment, the population adjusts itself by fluctuating above or below the equilibrium. Okay, if it is some changes, it will be occur in the environment, that time the population, it will be the increases as well as the decreases. Okay, or below or above level. Okay, that is the one particular fluctuating equilibrium. Okay, if the changes are great, that time the population decline in resulting in the extinction. Okay, it means the slight changes, it will be the good for the population, that time be above and below but not extincted. Okay, that is called the one particular idea about the population equilibrium. Okay, after the population equilibrium, again one more point on last point of the population characteristics, that is the population fluctuation. What is the fluctuation? We know very well the increase and decrease in the number of individuals in a population is called the population fluctuation. Okay, we know very well increases as well as decreases, that is one particular phenomenon of number of individuals in a population. That phenomenon is called as the population fluctuation. Okay, so the you have see here in the figure, in that figure uh, the population, it will be grows at a some time or after the some time after one particular reaching or maximum level, that time one particular flat position is there. Okay, sometime lower population again increases above low above low above. That is the one particular cyclic in nature. Okay, so when a population is exposed to favorable environmental condition, it grows and establishes an equilibrium. Okay, if it is population exposed in the favorable environmental conditions, okay, that time population it will be grows, right, and it remains the equilibrium level continuously if conditions are suitable. We know very well, if it is the equilibrium level is a continuous, at that time the conditions are suitable. Okay, not unsuitable condition. If it is conditions are suitable, that times equilibrium level it will be the remains. Okay, so however from time to time the number of individual increases or decreases. As a result, the curve moves up or down from the equilibrium level. Okay, it is called the population fluctuation. Okay, you have seen here in the figure the curves, it will be the up and down, or moves up or moves down from the equilibrium level. That is called the population fluctuation. Okay, you have see here, if these changes are small and negligible, the population curve is said to be flat, right? If the changes are larger and regular, the curve is said to be cyclic. You have seen here the changes, it will be the larger and regular the curve. Same curve you have seen in the cyclic form. If the changes are irregular, the curve is said to be eruptive. Okay, you have seen the last eruptive curves. In that curves, it will be the not in the same or a regular. Okay, it will be the irregular. The curve is said to be eruptive curve. Okay, and the fluctuation are caused by either extrinsic factor as well as the intrinsic factor. We know very well, any kind of population it will be fluctuate, or in any kind of population it will be affected. It is uh, it is caused due to the some extrinsic as well as intrinsic factor. It will be the responsible for that. Okay, so that is the one particular. Extrinsic factors are the factors of the environment, such as the temperature, light, rainfall, space, food. These are the extrinsic factor. Okay, it means the environmental factors such as the temperature, light, as well as rainfall, space, and food. Okay, extrinsic factors cause irregular fluctuations. We know very well. Okay, so we know very well temperature is not regular in position. Okay, in the daytime, afternoon time, as well as the evening, as well as night time, temperature it will be the variable. It means the one particular irregular in fluctuation. Okay, irregular fluctuation will be found in the extrinsic factor. Okay, as well as in the intrinsic factor arise inside the population, such as the density, interaction, and so on. Okay, one particular intrinsic factor, in that density, how much kind of animals it will be present in a particular area, or how much species it will be produces in a particular area, or as well as the one particular interaction is totally depend on the intrinsic factor. Okay, so that intrinsic factor, it is the one particular, it is caused due to the cyclic fluctuation. Okay, it means the regular in fashion. Okay, so this is the population fluctuation. Today we have seen the two types. There is the population equilibrium. In the population equilibrium, after the population equilibrium, population fluctuation, we also completed today. So this is it for today, and all population characteristics it will be completed. So thank you very much.